Good morning, folks. Got something to show you today. My wife and I have been carrying this in our truck for years now. I actually found this in an old barn. The people were moving and told me anything I found in the barn I could have. So I found this lunch pail right here. It was black, I painted it red. And this is our emergency road kit. Our emergency bathroom kit, I should say. We have toilet paper in there. Vinyl gloves, kind of like latex but vinyl. Hand sanitizer. Women's funnels.
You didn't have to share that one.
And toilet seat covers. Now, sometimes you just can't make it and you got to use the woods. Other times you're forced to use one of those vault toilets in a state park or maybe a gas station bathroom, and they're just not always clean. So we always take a few items with us just in case of emergency. If we have to pull over or use the woods, and we also have a shovel too, so we can, if we have to use the woods, we can bury it. But it all fits nicely in this little lunch box here. And it's been our traveling companion now for years. Everywhere we go, it's in the truck with us. Doesn't take up a lot of room. It's easy to find because it's red. Got a handle on it. Just grab it and go. So anyway, I don't know if you have an emergency toilet kit in your truck or vehicle, but it might be a good idea. Thank you all for watching. God bless.